Are you trying to get a better digestion or detox your body so you can have more energy in your day-to-day life? Then you are in the right place, so keep on watching. Hi, my name is Peggy Schirmer. I'm a certified naturopath specializing in gut healing and detoxing. I've worked with hundreds of one-on-one clients from all over the world, and on this channel I help you with simple steps and my best tools to heal your gut and detox your body so you feel vibrant and energized again. Now, if you're still struggling with your health, please know it's not your fault. I remember feeling lost and being like this close to giving up, thinking there was no way out for me after struggling with my health for 15 years. Let me tell you, there is. If you really want to heal, you can. Let me help you to get started on this journey and join the community of thousands of other gut feelers who are making progress in their healing every day. To get started, I want you to do two things. Number one, hit the subscribe button now and make sure also your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss the new videos that are coming your way every week. Once you're done with this, number two, head over to the playlist tab and choose your first mini series so you can actually start improving your gut health and boosting your energy levels and don't waste more time. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, and watch your first playlist to get started right away. I can't wait to see you over there.